you go, buddy. Good boy. What about you? You want some? Wow, this is awesome. Hey, come here. You want another bit? What about you? You haven't had, what? Here, I got more for you, buddy. Check this out. Oi! Look at you. I don't think Captain Australia's having much breakfast this morning, but he's having a wonderful time. Beautiful. What a joy. Thank you for visiting, guys. Ready? That is great. Alright. Better hit pause on this. Oh, you're coming in for something? You're a bit bigger, aren't you? Come on. Oh, you don't be scared. Yeah. Alright, come on. Still some more. Let's go. You want some? Be brave. Yeah, look at you. Come on. You want more? Yeah? There you go.